In the Parliamentary Assembly, I am proud of my contribution to better represent women. This is not a goal in itself, but has a positive impact on the policies we make. We include the experience and concerns of women in our decisions. This is the prerequisite for us to be able to make policies that help to end discrimination based on gender and to improve the lives of all people. My best memory is precisely in this context, when the quota regulation came into force in January 2023, all national delegations have fulfilled it. Almost half of delegates at the Assembly are now women, and this has a positive impact on our decisions and on the way how we work together.